These are the elevators at the Fairfax Apartments in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Eastern elevators. There's GAL Jet Plus vandal resistant. And it's the left elevator. This is a fairly recent Eastern mod. Up to 9. Oh, car recognition. That's interesting. Eastern elevator from Windermere, Pennsylvania. That's a bit annoying. Elevator number 2. That beep is a bit sick. Here at 9. Back down to 1. 88 phone, Eastern elevator from Windermere, Pennsylvania. Here's your cabin, case fire noise elevators, firefighters operation. Pretty basic padded elevator. There's Big Brother, but it's not very big. Again, pretty basic padded elevator. I don't know why this elevator is padded as there's a separate service elevator, and we're stopping at 5. That's a newer mailbox. There it goes, and that's it.